destination to Kolkata. They've already commenced our descent into Kolkata, passing an altitude of 27,000 feet, which is approximately 8.4 kilometers. I would like to sincerely apologize for the delay on our departure. It was because of the incoming aircraft for Bangalore got delayed. As of now, we're trying to catch up some time. As of now, instruments indicating we'll be expected to land into Kolkata. 10 minutes delay from our arrival time. By the time we are fully parked, we'll be delayed of about 15 to 18 minutes. Temperature reporting 34 degrees Celsius. We expect to land on our northerly runway. Today we have excellent set of crew looking after you, led by Bindu, assisted by Ritika, Aditya and Bhagya. I hope they are taking good care of you. For any feedback, suggestions, please log on to our website or you can contact the ground customer on arrival. Once again, thank you for choosing Air India Express and flying with us. Wishing you all a very pleasant day ahead and thank you for your patience. Namaskar. You can understand Oriya. Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. ମୁଁ ତୁମର ମୁଖ୍ୟ କପ୍ତାନ ଶିଳ୍ପୀ ମିଶ୍ର। ଆଜି ମୋର ସହଯୋଗ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କ୍ୟାପ୍ଟେନ ବେଦି। ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି 1562ରୁ ଉଡ଼ାନ ଭରୁଥିବା ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରୁ କଲିକତାକୁ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ 24,000 ଫିଟ୍ରେ ଅଛୁ। ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଦେଲୁଣି ଆମ ଡେଷ୍ଟିନେସନ କଲିକତାକୁ। ଆଶା କରୁଛୁ